I became deeply involved in the cost of our utilities here about a year ago. The representative for Summit Energy pretty much dropped in on a cold call basis and asked me what I was paying for my utilities. And having done some research, I knew we were paying a fairly high amount of money for that. And so Paul had agreed to at least research it for me. The questions that I had along the way was what exactly was the process of disconnecting my previous supplier and connecting my new supplier. I didn't want any disruptions in my production. You know, he convinced me that it was a relatively painless switch, and it proved to be so. The process was seamless and painless, and if it, as I anticipate, saves me several $100s a month in utility cost, why wouldn't I recommend that? Summit has been a very good company to deal with. The type of work that we do here, we don't have a lot of time to talk to a lot of people and do a lot of investigation as we should, and Summit did that work for us. So if you're considering changing your energy provider, your power supplier, I would highly recommend Summit be the one that you work with.